Hi there, Sheila once again. A few days ago, I uploaded a video on this boot camp that I was involved in, and we are about more than halfway through the boot camp, and the task today is to give a testimonial of what we have learned. I'm so thankful to OSP for this opportunity because I've been pretty busy doing other things in the last 6 months, and I have forgotten a lot of things actually, and this boot camp has reminded me once again of why I got into network marketing in the first place. So I've learned something about community, and that community is important. Because community encourages us, community spurs us on, the community helps us to keep our focus. We have just over like 100 over people in the group, but it has been a very, very encouraging group for me anyway. So this is my short testimonial for OSP, and if you are interested, then find out more. Bye for now.